everybody, welcome back to the C Midas channel. Just doing a quick little video on replacing this lower subframe piece right here. When I got this car, the front was damaged because the car's like sitting super low, and you can see this one is just all damaged and bent up. So I wasn't able to put my bottom engine cover on because of that. So I kept looking around for one, couldn't find one, or people wouldn't ship it because most of them were from overseas. So I got the part number, looked it up, and I found this brand new one from a company overseas in Latvia, overseas. And so I ordered it. I just went ahead and paid for it because it's brand new from a dealer, and it just never showed up. Never showed up. So what happened was I called. Well, I got in contact. I kept getting in contact with them, and they kept giving me the runaround. So I finally made a complaint with eBay, and eBay did an investigation, and eBay said there was something that they did wrong or something like that. So eBay refunded me for the part. So anyway, a few months later, the part showed up. Sorry about that, I got interrupted. My family didn't know I was filming. But like I said, it showed up a few months later. So I basically got a factory brand new part for free. All right, I'm gonna install this, and we'll take a look and see how everything looks. As you can see the damage, this is broke. You know, everything's all scratched up because I have 20-inch wheels on here now, but when I got the car, it had like 18s on it, so it was sitting even lower, so everything basically got bent and damaged. So I'm gonna install this and get right back with you. Of course, there's always that one little bolt. I don't know if you can see that right there, that third one. The AC thing right here is in the way, but luckily, you can't see it because of my hand. Let me see. It's able to just move over like that by hand. So just gotta push this. There we go. Luckily that did, because I thought I was gonna have to take the whole front end off to get this in, but luckily this piece right here moves. I just got it all the way off. It was real easy. Probably was like less than 10 minutes. Just these 13 mil bolts and a few T25s and this 12 point right here. I think it's like it says 70-070. I don't know what size it is, but that's all you need. Those three sizes, and everything pretty much comes off real easy. This one was broken right here, and this is like real lightweight. It's all aluminum, so it's like real lightweight. So, and this, the front part supports the secures the bottom part of the radiator too, so it secures the radiator support and the bottom engine shield. I'm gonna get this back in and we'll see how it looks. All right, it's all installed. Brand spanking new. So I'll be ready to have a brand new bottom engine cover, and also have these vented ducts right here, vented fender well ducts too, with the brake cooler ducts in them. But I can't install them yet. I have because I ordered new hardware for them. That's coming probably in another week or two. So since that was pretty easy, I'm gonna go ahead and install this other part right here, this ported throttle body I have. I'm gonna let the car down, and I'll I'll explain it a little bit, but picture's worth 1,000 words. So I'm going to take off the unmodified one and do a comparison so you can see what I did. So I'll get that off and I'll get right back with you. I just got the stock throttle body off so you can see modified one and this stock one. This is stock, this is modified. You can see this one has this step and this lip right here. All I did was I beveled that lip to give it a little Venturi. And that lip on the inside, I didn't actually remove it. I just smoothed the lip on that also. So it's still there, I just smoothed it. And on the back side too. We should give it a little bit better flow characteristics. So basically some better throttle response on it. I'm installing, then we'll probably test it out. Go for a few pulls with it. I just installed it. See if you can see a bit of the difference better. Yeah, you can see it a little better. A little roll right there. It's smoothed out inside compared to that. I'm gonna get the hose on. We'll see how it sounds and take it for a little test drive. All right, everything's installed. Let's see how it sounds. Didn't imagine it's gonna sound any different. Just noticed something. When I rev it, my little PCB, it raises up. Watch right here. Doesn't look like it's leaking or anything. I just noticed, could be me, but it looked like this part when I was revving, this was raising up a little bit. But there's no leaks or anything. See a leak right there though, but there's no leak from the PCB or anything. But I did buy the upgraded RKX PCB valve for when I install the exhaust later. So I'm gonna have to take everything off. I'll probably paint the valve cover and everything. All right, let me get some stuff put away and we'll take it out for a test drive. Right, I'm here at the test spot. One thing I noticed with the car on the way over here is that, yeah, you get the throttle response, of course. I noticed that when I was revving the car. Before, when I would rev the car, you would get a little bit of a delay. You would hear the little whoosh and then it would rev up. I noticed when I was revving it earlier, after I put the throttle body on, it wasn't really doing. I was getting better response. And then when I was getting on it on the way over here, it felt like I had more low-end torque, so it carried the torque more through the RPM band. So, but anyway, here we go with the launch. That feels like more torque. Definitely get more power. And then I noticed on the takeoff, I usually get more of a bog down. It didn't really do that this time. But when you're doing launch control, of course, it doesn't always do the same. Sometimes you get that a bigger bog down delay before the car launches sometime. But just now it didn't seem like it bogged down. It just felt like it just kept going. So it seemed like a good little upgrade so far. I might go ahead and send this one out to get professionally done. They have it to where they also do something to the middle part of the plate. They machine that part down, and they could get a little bit more material out and bevel it a little bit more to actually make a little bit more space inside the throttle body to get it going. Yeah, that feels good, dude. I can't wait to get the exhaust on here now. I haven't had a chance to do it because I got moved to another job again. So, you know, different hours and everything. I didn't even get to finish the brake video. So I'm probably gonna finish the brake video this week. I might actually come out today and brake the pads. I've been driving on, but I never did the brake in. But the pads feel good. So I have the 17Zs on here and everything, and you know, I just got to film the last part of that video, then I'll have that up probably sometime this week. It's just with work and the hours changing locations, I wasn't able to do it as soon as I wanted to. But alright, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Give a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video.